How to enable the pop-up on key press. So let's say you're typing using your iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max keyboard, and every time you're typing, you'll see a brief display of the pop-up for every key that you type, okay? And if you long press it, you'll get these here, all right? So if you've been looking to enable this here and you're using the default keyboard, here's where you can go to enable it. You'll want to go into the main settings. And when you're here, you'll go to where it says general. So you're looking for the general settings, this one right here. And as you enter into that, you'll go down until you see keyboard. Once you go to keyboard section here, you'll see all these keyboard settings. And you want to go down until you see character preview. Once you turn this on, and let's say you're going to go ahead now and start typing. So if I start typing, you'll see a preview of every letter that I type as I'm typing it. Because if you've been looking for that, that's where you go to turn it on or to turn it off. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.